Hi, I'm Gene Crouch with Keller Williams Realty Group here at Lake Wedowee, and today we're bringing you another one of our Why Not Wedowee videos. This is a pretty cool one that we're doing today. Today we're here with Topher, and he's got a Escape Wedowee room. And it's kind of new. I mean, we've never seen this over here in Wedowee, but hey Topher, why not Wedowee?
Why not? There's nothing else to do in Wedowee besides the escape room. I mean, if you want to do something, come down here.
That's cool. That's really good. I'm excited about it because we want to do it. But tell us a little bit about timing and how you make reservations and cost and stuff like that.
For right now, we do Facebook. Everything's Facebook. You can text and email me if you want to, but the fastest way is Facebook. Go on my Escape Wedowee Facebook page, click on Confirm Appointment. I'll get a message. I'll message you back what time's available, confirm the party number, and we're set to go.
Week. So it's all week long, or there are certain days, or?
Right. So right now we're doing Tuesday through Saturday. We open as early as 10 a.m. and we'll stay as late as 11 p.m. We have not had anyone past 11 p.m. Most of our groups are from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. at night, and usually on the weekends.
Good. Well, there's a lot to do over here in Wedowee. It's another great reason to come and spend time over here in Wedowee. We appreciate you being with us. So what's the Facebook page called?
It's just Escape Wedowee.
Escape Wedowee. Yeah. Okay, so we'll put that in this little video for you. So we appreciate you doing this, and I look forward to coming in and escaping.
Thank you.